Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Kitchen. Today we're making a tribe. Matumbu ne Mogodu malali Mogodu. That should be the correct way to say it. Anyways, so we'll start by cutting and washing our tribe, and then making sure you really wash it because it turns to have stones. So take your time with the water and make sure they well washed. Then afterwards we're just going to add them into our water. This is the part that I like. I think it's called the blanket. I really like it more than anything else. And then we're pouring our water, and then we're going to put beef cubes. I used 1.5, the remaining one from the other time I was cooking, and then one full cube. Usually after I use cubes, I don't turn to put salt because I believe the cubes have the salt. So after boiling for hours, I boiled for about 2 hours. I add my onions and then done. So what you make sure to know is your tribe done? And then that's it. Very simple yet delicious. Please tell me what you think about the recipe.